If you have Asus laptop and then you don't know how to open the Asus laptop back cover, you want to repair something or you want to upgrade anything in the laptop or you want to clean the laptop and then you don't know how to open and then there is any issue in the laptop. So this video will help you how you can open the Asus laptop. Any Asus model, there is a all similar way to open. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can open the Asus laptop. There are 10 screws in the back cover, so we open and then I will show you step by step, and then this video also help if you want to change the Asus laptop battery or you want to upgrade the RAM. Everything you can see in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's begin to our topic. So we start opening the screw. There are 10 screws. Make sure that you must remember the one is long screw, one is small screw. If you can see here, the one is small and then another is long. So you must remember where you take out this long screw, where you take out this small screw. So you have to remember everything. Now we already take out the screw. For opening this cover, for the safety, you can see here the USB port. You can see here the USB port. If you have any card or small screwdriver, you just insert here to take out the lock. So you can see here. Now it's very easy to open the cover. So here is the cover. Now you can see here, this one is the Asus laptop inside part. If you want to take out the battery or take out the SSD or add the RAM, you can add here or upgrade any system. Then you can add here the hard disk. Then if you want to upgrade your SSD, you can see here the SSD part. You can take out the SSD also. If you want to clean the fan also, you can simply open this fan and then clean the fan. If you have any other thing repair or if you want to upgrade the RAM, you can add here the RAM. So I am not going to repair anything. This video is only just for the opening cover and then opening the battery. Then you have anything else you can easily repair. For example, this speaker or whatever you want to repair, or you just clean and then put back the cover. So how you can put back the cover? You have to add these clips first and then make sure that you can listen the sound clips, and then after that you can close back the screws. So that is the easiest way you can open your laptop and then repair the laptop easily. So if you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.